everyone, it's Mufi. Today I will draw Santa and a gift box. So let's start drawing.
Wow!
First I will draw Santa's hat. You try to draw with me as I am drawing. Then I will draw Santa's beard, mustache, and face. Have you received any gifts from Santa? I didn't get it. I've only seen and heard it in fairy tales.
Wow!
So after that I'll draw Santa's hand. And I'll draw another hand, okay? Now I will draw Santa's stomach and clothes. After that I will draw the mouth parts. After that I will draw Santa's shoes.
Wow!
Done. Now I'll draw a gift box.
Wow!
I'll sketch it again roughly.
Wow!
My sketch is done. Now I'll start painting. First I'll paint Santa's dress with red paint, then Santa's hat. And I will paint the rest of the parts red.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my dog.
Wow! Wow!
Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Skip to my loo, my dog.
Wow!
Lost my partner, what do I do? Lost
After that I will paint Santa's belt and shoes with black.
my partner,
Just like that.
what do I do? Skip to my loo, my dog.
Wow!
Found my partner, love is true.
After that I will paint Santa's face in skin color.
Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my dog.
Wow!
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo.
After that I will paint Santa's baby pink inside the
Wow.
mouth. After that I will paint the gift yellow. After that I will paint the gift blue. Yes.
Wow.
My drawing is complete. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.